Welcome students. In this session, we'll be discussing net force. Now before going into the subject, I'll show you a picture and you have to answer a question. See this picture. In which direction will the box move? So what is the picture? There is a box, a man and a woman, both are pulling together. Now this is a very simple picture. You will argue the box will move in the direction of the greater force. If the man provides a greater force, the box will move in the man's direction. If the woman provides a greater force, the box will move in the woman's direction. Now, the effect of this force, right, this greater force, in physics, it has a special name. What is that? The sum of all forces acting on an object is called the net force. That is what we say. That is, suppose a man is giving some amount of force, right? Suppose the man is giving 10 Newton force and the woman is giving 15 Newton force. Now, you will argue, right, as 15 Newton is the greater force, so box will move in this direction. And in terms of physics, that is the ordinary way of description. In terms of physics, what we say, the net force is the algebraical sum of both these forces. Now, why I say algebraical sum? Because you know, force, they are nothing but vectors. They are nothing but vector. And vector means they have magnitude, means its value, and the direction, that is either this direction or this direction. The algebraical sum means what? That is, if we consider this to be the plus sign or plus direction, this is the negative sign, minus direction. So this will be plus 15 Newton, this will be minus 10 Newton. So what is said, the sum of all the forces acting on the object is called the net force. Sum means it should be the algebraical sum, right? So here it is plus 15, here it is minus 10. So in this case, the net force will be 15 plus 15 minus 10, that is 5 Newton. So 5 Newton is the value, and what is the sign? That is plus. Now this plus sign signifies the box will move in this positive direction. That comes with what you have, what you have decided with a general observation, that this is greater force, so it will move in this force. So the net force is plus 5 Newton. And hence we have written, clearly it is evident that the box moves in the direction of the net force. Okay? Force is a vector, that is, it has magnitude as well as direction. Now for this, what is a net force? In this, both the forces are in the same direction. So if you consider this is a positive direction, so this is also plus 100 Newton, this is also plus 50 Newton. The net force is the algebraical sum of both these forces. So 100 plus 50, it is nothing but 150 Newton. Okay? plus we are adding it because both the forces are in the same direction. Now for this is, as we have already discussed in the previous problem, this is plus 100, this is minus 50. So if you add them up, it's nothing but 100 minus 50 equal to 50 Newton. 50 Newton signifies the net force is in the positive direction. Okay? Again, for this is very interesting. This direction is 50, this direction is 100. So this is plus 50, this is minus 100. Right? So if you add them, plus 50 minus 100 is equal to nothing but minus 50 Newton. So minus 50 Newton means what? That is in the negative direction. The box will move in the direction of the net force, which is the negative direction, which also comes with your argument. See, 100 Newton is a greater force, right? So it moves in this way. But in terms of physics, what we have to write? Yes, the net force is minus 50 Newton. It means the magnitude is 50 and the direction is in the opposite direction, what we have taken as a reference. Okay? So for this, what will be the net force? Calculate. This is plus 100 Newton. This is plus 50 Newton. This is 150 Newton. It means 100 plus 50 plus of minus 150. All are in Newton. So it becomes 150 minus 150, that is 0 Newton. So for this case, right, the box will not move, isn't it? Suppose a man is pulling in 100 Newton, another boy is pulling in 50 Newton, and another really powerful person, he is pulling or she is pulling in 150 Newton. So the box will not move, right? See, you have observed this kind of things in your school, right? Tug of war, right? Now these two teams both are giving 300 Newton, 300 Newton. So they are, there is no win. But this team started giving a force of 400 Newton and this is 300 Newton. The net force is 100 Newton in this direction, right? So the whole team fall in this direction. Okay? Thank you. Stay tuned.